So it's fall time here in Long Island, New York, and the garden season is not over. 9 vegetables that we could still grow now and have multiple harvests before winter time. And some of these vegetables you could take indoor if you have a grow lights. You could plant by the window corner. You could plant in the greenhouse, growing in the winter time. Or even if you have like a raised garden bed and you have a cover system just to keep away the frost, you could still grow for a longer time. I'm also going to tell you how I fertilize and how I water when it comes down to fall time. One is turnips. Turnips are a very healthy, delicious root vegetables that grow fast and love the cooler temperature. Number 2 is beetroot. Beetroot is a superfood. You eat the root vegetables at the bottom and also the leaf. The leaves is a powerhouse. They will grow all the way into winter time. Number 3 is radishes. Radishes will grow very fast and you could also eat the leaves. They will grow rapidly fast in spring and fall time. 4 is spinach. Super greens, super healthy. Basically everyone's favorite. Spinach will grow very fast in fall time. Make sure to space them out at least about 6 inches. And when you harvest these leaves, harvest the outer bigger leaves and don't harvest the little leaves, or do not pull out the plant. The plant will continue. Number 5 is lettuce. All type of lettuce will grow really well in fall time. They love the fall temperature. And remember, as I said, harvest the bigger leaves at least 4 to 6 inches. They are ready to harvest. Number 6 is kale. Kale will grow all the way into the winter. They will even handle some of the frost, so you don't have to worry. If you cover them, they could last through the whole winter. Kale is a super greens. Look at that. Always harvest the bigger outer leaf. 7 is bok choy. Bok choy will grow very, very fast and survive in a longer temperature. You just have to watch out with the caterpillars. Always turn the leaves over, brush off any eggs, remove any caterpillar. Harvest the outer leaves, leave the small one to continue growing. Harvest in the morning time. We are going to walk down to our number 8. Most of these plants have been getting attacked really bad from everything, to be honest with you. It is Swiss chard. We also have some bok choy over there, which the bugs been having a feast right now. But I'm going to tell you, Swiss chard is one of my favorite. Harvest at least 6 to 8 inches, the outer leaves. This is a superfood. This is the rainbow color and they will grow for a long time. Number 9 is all of your herbs like cilantro, basil, parsley, thyme. You could grow all of them. So these plants are perfect for beginners to grow. Check in the description box. I'm going to write everything out so you can snap a picture and start gardening. Now I'm going to tell you something. What I'm going to show you here, you choose your own brand, whichever you're comfortable. Fertilizer, I'm using the organic garden tone, and I'm using nitrogen, which is a blood meal. You could use whichever one you want. Now when it comes to fertilizer and fall vegetables, especially leafy greens or broccoli, cauliflower and stuff like that, I like to add fertilizer every 3 weeks. And I will keep repeating it, especially leafy greens. Leafy greens will keep producing a lot, and if we want the plant to produce the maximum in healthy leaves, we have to keep feeding the plant. With the root vegetables like beetroot and stuff like that, turnips and stuff, you could go ahead and fertilize once a month. That's perfect. So with the blood meal, extra nitrogen, I add that once a month, giving it a big boost to the leafy greens especially. And fall time and springtime, you could use them. They give your plants an amazing extra boost. It's like a supercharge for your plants. Why not, right? When it comes down to watering, it's very important you do not overwater. If you overwater, the leaves gonna start turning yellow, your roots gonna rot out. So it's very important, do not water like it's summertime. Water every 2 to 3 days lightly. That's all I do, every 2 to 3 days, except if we have a day that's come down like 78 the other day, then I had to water right away. But if we're in the 50s and 60s, listen, 2 to 3 days, water in the morning time, that's perfectly fine. Do not water late in the night, because that's when it gets chillier and your plants will not do well if with water and chilly weather in the nighttime. And then later on, you could always cover your plants, which I did order a cover from Vego for one of my beds. So we're going to do a video coming up testing that out. One mistake to avoid too, don't get carried away with the fall feeling. Everybody feel a little cold weather and they're like, oh, garden is done, let me just wrap it up. It's not over. Fall time give us another chance, another opportunity, so we could grow another round of vegetables, different vegetables, with lots of super greens and root vegetables and all our herbs that we used to cook. We could freeze all these stuff for winter time. We could, dry them. We could grind them. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for upcoming videos. Let's all grow a better home garden together.